A challenge for $100,000.
Wow, that's a lot of money.
Cut off a chunk of your hair.
I don't want to do that. I'm not doing it.
Brianna, once you've accepted the challenge, there's no turning back. You must do it, or they'll kill you.
What?
A challenge for $500,000.
I just got a challenge for 500K.
Don't accept it. The more money they offer you, the harder the challenge will be.
I can't pass up on that kind of money.
Shave off your eyebrows.
You shaved your eyebrows?
Yeah, I did. Does it look that bad?
It does. I accepted a challenge for $1 million.
Wow.
I have to kill you.